go ahead and take a deep breath in, all the way out. Get a little movement through here. Relax your shoulder.
Oof.
Good. Try to relax as much as you can. Beautiful. Look over your left shoulder.
I felt that.